If your iPhone is running slow, then try this step to improve its performance. Firstly, close unused apps. Double click the home button or swipe up on your newer iPhones to see recently used apps. Once you see the recently used apps, swipe up to close apps you are not using. Now try restarting your iPhone. Hold the power button and swipe to turn off and turn it back on after a few seconds to refresh the system, or you can simply use the quick touch option available to restart your iPhone as well. So once restarted, simply go to the settings app option available on your iPhone. Now inside settings, tap on the general, then tap on the software update and make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. If you see update or install option available inside the software update, then tap on it and download the latest version. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.